Hello everyone, I am Karthik Agarwal from Class 6B and today is a very special day. On the 5th of June, every year World Environment Day is celebrated, and on this day it is our responsibility to do our bit for nature and help save the world. So today I want to make a DIY project using waste materials that were just lying around my house, and this project is going to be an organizer, a multi-purpose organizer that can help you organize your little bits and pieces and everything that you need daily. So let's jump right into it. For our DIY organizer, first of all, we are going to need a cereal box like this, any big box. Now, what we want to do is, we are going to make our organizer in 3 layers. So, this box will suffice for 2 layers. And we'll need to cut it in half first. So, what you can do is, first of all, just take some markings and draw a line using a marker so that you know where to cut. Okay, so I've drawn my lines and I have some on the side too. I want it to be a slanted shape, and now you can cut along your lines and you'll get 2 different boxes. And then you can also, after you cut it, you can also cover your boxes with some colored paper to make them look pretty. Now that the main parts of our organizer are ready, I also want some smaller boxes so that I can store my little bits and pieces. So that's why I have taken some other boxes, 2 other boxes, and I have cut them in a similar manner. Now after this, you can also cover them with some colored paper of your choice. Okay, so here I have finished covering and cutting out all of my pieces for the organizer. So now I'm just going to make a rough idea. I'm just going to give myself a rough idea of how I want them to be placed. I think such an arrangement will be fine for me. And now all I have to do is make this permanent and stick everything into place. And now our masterpiece is ready. I have assembled it properly, and I have also added a few decorations using decorative tape and these stickers. And it is really looking very pretty. And now there are many ways we can use this. In these bigger sections, we can put our books and random papers and all. And these smaller boxes are perfect for items like pens and your loose bits and pieces. So let me now fill this up and let's see how it works. So here is the end result of our creation. I have stored many of my stationery items, magazines and colored papers, and lots of craft material also in this. So these organizers are great ways to store everything you need. You can make organizers for cosmetics, for kitchen supplies, for many things, especially stationery. And there are endless possibilities, varieties and designs. Just take a look at this other organizer that I had made earlier. I even used some toilet paper rolls to keep some other brushes and all. So the possibilities are endless, and these look beautiful, help you a lot, and overall they help you reuse too. But the best way you can help Mother Earth on World Environment Day is to plant a tree. And with that, we have more greenery around us and the air is much fresher. So happy World Environment Day, and thank you very much.